today I have a awesome unboxing. I collaborated with Glamour Jewelry Box. If you guys are not familiar with Glamour Jewelry Box, you get 3 items of jewelry, which is awesome. You can get a necklace, bracelet, earrings, rings. It is $29.95 a month and plus $3 shipping. If you decide to skip a month, you could do that as well. So I'm going to do an unboxing for you. They were nice enough to send this to me, which is awesome. Thank you guys. They also gave me a code, which is 10% off your first box. And it's Chris, K-R-I-S 10. And I'll put that in the beginning of the video and at the end of the video so you guys can do that. And then in the comments below in the box. So you can see and click on their website and just use my code KRIS 10 for 10% off your first box. So that's awesome. So let's get into the unboxing. So here is the box. And it shipped to you. This is a beautiful box. Like, I love the marble purple. Kind of matches my nails. And so we open the box and this is what you get. So they sent me a little letter, which just says Kristen. And I'm opening this on my birthday and I think this is awesome. So I'm going to wear this today. And it says thank you, little thank you card. Hi, Kristen. We can't wait for you to unbox your first Glamour Jewelry Box pieces. Here's a special code for your followers to get 10% off their first Glamour Jewelry Box. KRIS 10. Hope you enjoy and thank you, Jenny and Hennel, founders of Glamour Jewelry. That is so cute. So here is the card of what I'm going to get. I'm going to take a picture of this, and it also has Instagram, so I will share this on my Instagram as well. It's a $75 value, so when I go through the items, I'll let you know the description and the prices. So look at that, isn't that so cute? And then you get this awesome little bag, so adorable. And in the bag, let me take the items out. So the first item that you get are these awesome earrings. These are adorable. And they're rose gold. Look how cute these are. And they're super lightweight. They will not put your ears down, like pull your ears down. Let me put it in for you. And let's see what they look like. They are adorable. Since I have a little bit of a stretched ear, these are perfect. I absolutely love these. Look how cute. Oh my goodness, look at that. Adorable. Love these. Let me put the other one in for you guys so you can see. Let's see. Love it. So cute. Look how adorable these are. And they're, like I said, they're super lightweight. And they definitely go with my outfit today. All right, so these are the rose gold teardrop hoop earrings. Retail values $24. So that is awesome. What a good deal. All right, so the next item we have here, everything comes in this really great plastic so you can put it back so nothing gets tangled up, and that's what I'm gonna do. Because sometimes my jewelry gets tangled, but I think these little bags are awesome. And then I'll put it back in the jewelry bag and then pick it out when I want to wear it. I think this is adorable. Wow, this is pretty. So this is a rose gold bracelet, and it has the chain here so you can make it tighter and looser. So let's put this on. Very cute. So let's pull it closed. Oh, I love this. I love this bracelet. Look how pretty this is. It's so sparkly. And then the clasp, you can make it as tight as you want or as loose as you want. I like it super tight so you can actually see it and wear it. Look how adorable this is. Super great quality. So this is the rose gold bracelet, and the retail value of this is $25. And it says this adjustable rose gold bracelet drips in rows of diamonds. So pretty. Love this. All right. So the next item, let me get it out of the bag. So guys, go over to their website, glamourjewelrybox.com, and type in my code and get your first box for 10% off. Chris10, KRIS 10, and get your first box 10% off. Now look at this. So pretty. It's like a teardrop, and it has a knot right here. Oh, I love this. So I love these kind of necklaces where they droop down. Look at that. So pretty. Like, this goes awesome with my outfit today. It goes great with these earrings. Look at that. So pretty. And look, there's like little diamonds at the bottom. So this is great. Awesome. So this is the rose gold knot lariat necklace, retail of $26. The perfect piece for spring. It pairs perfectly with a simple crew neck tee or a deep V-neck, which is exactly what I'm wearing. And look at that. So adorable. This is a great box. Everything coordinates. It's super dainty and simple. I think it's awesome. You guys should go definitely over their website. I'll put all the information down below in the description box. And the total value is $75, and that's great. And then you can go to their Instagram, and I'm going to go to my Instagram. I'll put that information down below and put a picture up so you guys can see. So here we go. Here's the card, and that's what you get in your box. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and thanks Glamour Jewelry Box for sending this over. I enjoy doing these unboxings for you guys. Please like, subscribe, and share my video. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, bye-bye.